Look at your hair. If it's constantly dry, frizzy, tangled, or breaking like this, throw away your hair care routine. You need to try this fresh aloe vera shampoo mix instead. Everyone makes it differently, but today I'm showing you two of my favorite customized versions. The first formula gives insane shine, soft hair, and perfect curl definition, while the second version focuses on extreme growth, thickness, and stronger tangle-free hair. Let's start off with the first one.
1, 2, 3.
For the first ingredient, we'll need aloe vera. I already soaked the aloe vera for about 10 to 20 minutes to remove the yellow sap, also known as aloin or aloe latex. This substance can irritate the skin, so soaking it helps remove these unwanted toxins. I'm now going to cut the aloe vera into smaller pieces. Now that I've cut the aloe vera, I'll go ahead and blend it up without adding any water. Blending aloe vera with the peel without water helps create a super concentrated gel that maximizes moisture, healing, and anti-inflammatory benefits. Using the whole leaf gives a richer concentration of vitamins and minerals that work better than diluted mixtures. This is how it looks like after blending, and as usual, I will use a cheesecloth to strain it. This is how it looks like after straining. Next, I'm going to now add some sugar into this mixture. Adding sugar to aloe vera shampoo creates a gentle exfoliating treatment that removes dead skin cells, boosts scalp circulation, and helps the hair retain more moisture for softer, shinier results. Next, I'll add 2 spoons of MSM powder. Adding MSM to aloe vera shampoo creates a sulfur-rich treatment that helps improve scalp health, strengthen the hair structure, and support thicker, fuller hair by targeting breakage directly at the root. I'll now add some essential oils, starting off with jojoba oil. Now let's add a spoonful of castor oil. And then some shampoo. You can use any shampoo of your choice, then go ahead and mix everything up really well. lastly, here I have a bottle to transfer the shampoo. Here is the finished shampoo. This powerful blend, made with aloe vera, sugar, and MSM, works as a dual action treatment that deeply cleanses the scalp while strengthening weak and damaged hair. And look at this, guys. It's super sticky and concentrated. This shampoo can seriously change your hair restoration journey. Now, let's move on to part 2, which is the second shampoo. Getting into the second batch of shampoo, I'm again going to use aloe vera. This is the second piece of aloe vera that I'm going to use. Like last time, I washed it. Now let's cut it up. After cutting it up, I'll go ahead and put it straight into the blender. Just like with the first shampoo, we're going to blend this without adding in any water. After blending the entire aloe vera leaf, including the peel, without adding any water, you're now left with a super concentrated mixture packed with nutrients most DIY recipes throw away. This is exactly what it looks like after blending. And watch closely as I pour this through the cheesecloth to separate the rough pulp from the smooth concentrate. This is how it looks like after straining. And look at that silky texture. It's rich and it's completely natural. This powerful aloe vera concentrate helps deeply moisturize the hair, soothe the scalp, reduce dryness, and support faster, healthier hair growth, all naturally. Here I have another piece of aloe vera that I'm going to use with the same process. But this time, I'll be extracting the gel. After cutting it open, I will now use a spoon to scrape out the gel into my bowl. To extract the gel, I'll be using my hands to first crush it. You guys can do the same. After crushing the gel, this is what it looks like. I'll now go ahead and strain the mixture to extract the gel completely. This is the gel after straining. People love using aloe vera in DIY shampoos because it delivers salon quality results without harsh synthetic chemicals. It works both as a natural scalp treatment and as a high performance hair care ingredient. Next, I'm going to add in the aloe vera gel into the aloe vera mixture that I had blended from earlier. Now let's mix it up. The last main step is to add in the shampoo. Like the other shampoo, go ahead and use any shampoo of your choice, then mix it up once again. To really make this a nourishing shampoo, I'm going to now add some castor oil. Next up, I'm adding 2 vitamin E capsules. I'll give it one good mix before moving on to the next step, which is grabbing a spray bottle to transfer the mixture. This is a triple action formula that exfoliates, hydrates, and strengthens your hair all at the same time. Think of it as a detox treatment and a strengthening protein treatment combined into one powerful, unforgettable wash. Here's the bottle I'll be using to store the shampoo. You can use any bottle of your choice. Guys, this is exactly what I was talking about. This shampoo is extremely powerful and you seriously need to try it out. My mother will now show you exactly how to use this shampoo on your hair and how it will make your curls pop like never before. This is how my mom's hair looks after applying the shampoo. And if you've made it this far, you already know the shampoo is a total game changer for dry, damaged, and breaking hair. Don't keep this secret to yourself. Share this video with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe for more powerful natural hair recipes. Before we finish this video, I just wanted to let you guys know that I officially opened my channel memberships. So if you truly enjoy my hair care videos and you want access to my content before everyone else, You can now join and become part of my private membership family. My first membership is called Hair Besties for $5.99 a month, where you'll get early access to my videos, loyalty badges, custom emojis, and priority replies to all your comments. And my second membership is called Dyer Dolls for $7.99 a month, which includes everything from the first level plus exclusive member shoutouts. If you'd like to support me and get exclusive access, the first link in my description will take you directly to my memberships page for you to check it out. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It truly means everything to me and my mom. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!